In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best pool pump you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best pool pump in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Hayward W3SP2607X10 Pool Pump. The Hayward W3SP2607X10 Pool Pump is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their pool filtration system. The Hayward W3SP2607X10 Pool Pump is built to last, with a durable, corrosion-resistant design that makes it suitable for long-term use. It features a high-performance motor with a sturdy housing, designed to handle the rigorous demands of regular pool operation. The pump's 1 horsepower motor provides a good balance of power and energy efficiency, making it effective at circulating water while keeping energy costs reasonable. The Hayward W3SP2607X10 is also compatible with various pool types, and its easy-to-use interface makes it simple to adjust settings and monitor the pump's performance. In terms of performance, the Hayward W3SP2607X10 really excels. The 1 horsepower motor is powerful enough to handle medium to large pools with ease, providing excellent water circulation and filtration. The Hayward W3SP2607X10 is straightforward to install, especially if you have some experience with pool equipment. The pump comes with detailed instructions, making the setup process relatively easy for anyone who is comfortable working with pool systems. Our second best pool pump is Intex 2100-gallon pool pump. The Intex 2100-gallon pool pump is a solid, affordable option for those looking to keep their above-ground pool in tip-top shape. The Intex 2100-gallon pool pump has a simple yet effective design. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to set up, making it an ideal choice for those with smaller or medium-sized above-ground pools. The build quality feels sturdy, and the pump's housing is made of durable materials that should withstand regular use. The pump has a 1/2 horsepower motor, which is perfectly suited for pools with a capacity around 10,000 to 15,000 gallons. When it comes to performance, the Intex 2100-gallon pool pump does a great job of circulating water and keeping the pool clean. The 2,100 gallons per hour GPH flow rate provides good filtration and ensures that the water stays clear by efficiently removing debris and dirt. This pump works well for above-ground pools, and it provides a consistent flow of water, helping to maintain proper filtration and circulation. Setting up the Intex 2,100-gallon pool pump was a breeze. The pump comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions, and assembly took less than 30 minutes. The pump is lightweight and easy to move around, which is a bonus if you need to adjust its placement during setup or maintenance. The hose connections are straightforward and secure, ensuring a good fit with your pool's filtration system. For more details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is XtremepowerUS Swimming Pool Pump. The XtremepowerUS Swimming Pool Pump is an affordable and efficient solution for pool owners looking to maintain their pool's cleanliness without breaking the bank. The XtremepowerUS Swimming Pool Pump is designed with durability in mind. Its motor is robust, and the pump housing is made of high-quality, corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring it can withstand the demands of outdoor use. The pump has a 1.5 horsepower motor, depending on the model, which is powerful enough for medium to large pools, providing consistent water circulation and efficient filtration. In terms of performance, the XtremepowerUS Swimming Pool Pump delivers strong and consistent water flow. The 1.5 horsepower motor is capable of handling a variety of pool sizes, and it works efficiently to ensure the water remains clean and clear. It's especially effective at circulating water, which helps with proper filtration and keeping debris at bay. The installation process for the XtremepowerUS Swimming Pool Pump is relatively easy. The pump comes with clear instructions and assembly typically takes no more than 30 minutes. The pump is lightweight enough to be maneuvered and positioned easily, and the hose connections are compatible with most pool systems, making it easy to hook up to your existing pool equipment. While the XtremepowerUS swimming pool pump is great overall, there are a couple of minor drawbacks. The pump can be a bit louder than higher-end models, especially when running at full power, though it is quieter than some of the other budget options out there. Number 4 in our side is VIVOHOME Swimming Pool Pump. The VIVOHOME Swimming Pool Pump is a budget-friendly option for those who want an efficient and reliable solution to keep their pool clean and well-maintained. The VIVOHOME Swimming Pool Pump has a solid and durable build. Its design is compact, and it feels sturdy and well-constructed. The motor is housed in a corrosion-resistant casing, ensuring that it can withstand exposure to outdoor elements and pool chemicals. The 1.5 horsepower motor provides ample power for medium to large pools, ensuring proper filtration and water circulation. The VIVOHOME Swimming Pool Pump performs exceptionally well for its price range. The 1.5 horsepower motor is powerful enough to circulate water efficiently, and it ensures that debris, dirt, and leaves are filtered out of the pool. Last in our best pool pump list is Pentair EC-342001 Pool Pump. The Pentair EC-342001 Pool Pump is an outstanding option for pool owners who want a high-performance, durable, and energy-efficient solution to keep their pools clean and well-maintained. The Pentair EC-342001 Pool Pump boasts a sleek, durable design that is built to last. It features a high-quality, corrosion-resistant housing that can withstand the elements, making it perfect for outdoor use around your pool area. The pump is designed with heavy-duty components, ensuring that it can handle continuous operation without any issues. The pump's design is compact yet powerful, and the integrated strainer basket is easy to access and clean, which is a huge convenience. The Pentair EC-342001 Pool Pump is designed with low maintenance in mind. The strainer basket collects debris efficiently, and the transparent lid allows you to see when it needs cleaning. Cleaning the basket is quick and easy, and the pump itself has shown excellent durability even after several months of use. While the Pentair EC-342001 Pool Pump is an excellent product overall, there are a couple of minor drawbacks. The first is that it's slightly more expensive compared to entry-level pool pumps. However, the extra cost is justified by its performance, energy efficiency, and durability.